Collision, my name is Hayden Thompson and I've been playing drums for the past 9 years. I'm the drummer for the band Coherent. We have 2 singles released with a third on the way and we play gigs in the northwest of England. These are the 5A Reach drumsticks. These are the sticks I'm using at the moment. The reason I'm liking these sticks a lot is because the weight of them, due to having an extra 5/8 of an inch on the top, makes it feel a lot easier to play, especially fast and hard, without putting as much into your playing. The durability of the sticks is amazing as well. They've lasted me so much longer than any other stick would from how I've been playing them, and all the support from the people over at Collision is absolutely phenomenal. I would recommend this to anyone, and this song I'm going to be playing is our debut single, Changing.